An extraordinarily splendid place to call home, the Boutique Student Accommodation in Swansea is an abode for both international and domestic students. Offering a range of brand new studios with cushy beds, study space, wardrobes, lots of storage, and a private washroom, you'll make it home at Boutique. Need to stay fit? No problem. The on-site gym is here to help you work on your body. And there is a games area where you can challenge your mates to a friendly competition. Relax and binge watch your favorite movies on weekends in the cinema room. And with an all-inclusive bill policy and 24/7 Wi-Fi, this accommodation is the perfect choice for students who want it all. In addition, not only the boutique is located close to the city center, where you will find a variety of shops, cafes, bars, and restaurants, but it's also within easy reach of the University of Wales Trinity St. David, the University of Swansea, and Swansea College. So whether you're studying or exploring, you'll always be in the heart of the action. Ready to start living the high life? Book your spot at Boutique now on amberstudent.com.